Okay, next one. Q is brother of R, P is sister of Q, T is brother of S, S and S is the daughter. Know this. Okay, all start solving these. All are easy ones. Okay. Okay. See, Q is brother of R. Okay. Q is brother of R. Okay. P is sister of Q. P is sister of Q. P is sister of Q. T is brother of S, where S is daughter of R. S is daughter of R. Okay. S is daughter of R, and they're telling T is brother of S. Who are the cousins of Q? So now we do not know if P and R are brother and sister or are cousins. We are only left with that option. That's all. Here, if there is an option called as none of the above cannot be determined, then you can write cannot be determined. As of now, if R and P is given, end up writing R. Fine. Sorry? Yeah. Son and daughter. Yeah.
Q is related to R and P.
So as of now, it is not having. Let us see. Okay, next. Okay, ninth one.
Option D.
Option
D.
String law.
Option D.
Option D. Okay, A is father of C and D is son of. A is father of C. A is father of C. D is son of B. D is son of B. E is brother of A. E is brother of A. C is sister of D. C is sister of D. This is son. Okay, and if these both are sister and this is wife, this is going to be this one. So how is B related to E? Sister-in-law. Daughter-in-law. How is B related to E? How is B related to E? Who is E for B means then it comes as brother-in-law. Who is B for E means then it comes as sister-in-law. Answer is sister-in-law. Okay. Next one. B here. Answer for 10th. D. C is brother of A. Okay, you might have checked it out. Let us be that. Let's solve it. Okay, let's solve it. A is brother of B. A is brother of B. Fine. A is brother of B. B is brother of C. B is brother of C. D is father of A. D is father of A. Based on these three statements, which of the following statements cannot be definitely true? B is brother of A. Yes. B is the son of D. Yes. A is the brother of C. Yes. C is the brother of A. Cannot be determined. C is gender is not. No. Okay. When gender is not mentioned, you cannot conclude. Okay. A man said to a lady, "Your mother's husband's sister is my aunt." How is the lady related to the man? Okay. For 11th, 12th, and all, you can solve it out. The same kind of questions. Go to 13th one. Suresh is the only child of Sita's grandfather's son. Who is Sita? Okay, Sita is a girl. Sita's grandfather is nothing but father's father, father's father or mother's father, whatever it is. Okay, grandfather's son, grandfather's son. Okay, Sita's grandfather's son. Okay. Now Suresh is the only child of Sita's grandfather's son. Okay. See, now this is the relation for Sita. All understood, this is the relation for Sita. Sita's grandfather. Okay, this is grandfather. Now they are telling grandfather's son. So this grandfather's son is nothing but here son. Suresh is the only child of Sita's grandfather's son. Obviously, these both are cousins. Right? Cousins. Suresh is the only child of Sita's grandfather's son. Sita's grandfather. Sita's grandfather can have a daughter also. Sita's grandfather can have a son also. So Sita can be his daughter's grandchild. Then it becomes like brother and sister. If I am assuming that this is the only son, okay, this is the only son. Suresh is the only child they are telling. If they are telling only son, only daughter means okay, fine, no issues. Already there is a kid called as Sita. It means his grandfather had two kids. One kid's kid is Sita. The other kid's kid is Suresh. What is the relationship between Suresh and Sita? So obviously they are going to be cousins. The word only is very important here. Only if you allow, everything goes wrong. 14th, I think you people can do it. Okay. 15th, you give a try later on. I will tell you how to approach it later on. 16th also, it is the same thing. My daughter. So you can try it out. 17th, we have already done it. 18th, give a try. 18th is similar. Give a try. Not getting. First one cannot be determined. Next one. Both one and two. Both one and two. Okay. See, whenever you start, you either go from right to left or left to right. I always prefer going from right to left. Okay. So now T plus U is nothing but what? U is the son of P. U is the son of P. Right? Okay. T. Sorry. T. U is the son of T. Right? Next, U minus P means V is a sister of V is a sister of U. Right? Now they're telling how T is related to V. You cannot determine it. Gender is not given. Right? Clear? The same way, do it for the second one, you'll get both the options. I don't know. A cross B means, so B is the mother of Q. B is the mother of Q, right? Then they're telling Q. So B, sorry, A, P, Q, P, Q, A. B minus C means C is the sister of B, right? So B is the sister of C, C is the sister of B. Yes, so both 1 and B, right? Okay. Now, last one question, solve it. Now, create the family tree across 3 generations. If you create this family tree, your entire blood relation concept is clear for you people. Okay, Neha is Swapnil's wife, easiest part. Okay, now starts the trick. Okay. Akshay and Abhijit are only nephews of maternal uncle Swapnil. What is the meaning of maternal uncle? Mother means here, his sister, maternal uncle, Swapnil are Akshay, Abhijit. Fine. Now, clear till first second point. Shweta and Rachana are nieces of Meghana. Now, you do not know who is Meghana, but they are niece. How can it be a niece? Who is a niece? Kids, brothers, kids are going to be niece. Now, who is the sister brother relation here? Swapnil and some unknown person are sister brother relation. You said brothers, kids are going to be Shweta and Rachana, right? So, in that case, this person is going to be Meghana, right? In that case, this person is going to be Meghana. Jitesh is the oldest member of family. Okay, Jitesh is your oldest member of family. Fine. Lisha is the only daughter of her mother. Lisha is the only daughter of her mother. Okay. Now, if Lisha is the daughter of Jitesh, imagine if Lisha is the daughter of Jitesh, already is having Swapnil and Meghna as kids. Now, the given statement is only daughter, means she cannot be the daughter of Jitesh. Fine. If she is the daughter of Swapnil is already having 2 daughters. It cannot be the thing. Meghna is having 2 boys. Obviously, the daughter can be. Lisha is daughter here. Lisha is here. Fine. If Lisha is here, then the given Vinod, the male, Vinodini, a female, are also members of the family. So now Vinod. Obviously, Meghna is having a husband. Is going to be Vinod. And Jitesh is going to have a wife, Vinodini. That's it. Family tree is done. Then you can answer the question. Lisha is the only daughter. Only daughter of her mother. If Jitesh and Vinodini are having kids, Swapnil and Meghna, already they are having like a son and a daughter. Additionally, they cannot have a Lisha. Where? They have 2 children here, no? Already. Shweta and Rachna have 2 kids already, right? For Swapnil and Rachna. Yes, no other option there. So now you can answer your questions. Done for the blood relation.